Hey everybody, nice video. Got a kick cylinder here. I'm just picking this because I want to use my holder again. I got the detent cap off because I don't have a key and I'd like to gut it. And I don't want to accidentally lock it back, so try using a 50 thousandths pry bar, looks like. And we'll give the old Secure Pro pick a try. Look at that, opened up and tension wrench fell out, but it didn't lock back. So that's cool. Oops, shit. Just dropped the first pin out, trying to push it out of my fancy holder here. Well, there's the first key pin. There we go. So that wasn't a problem I had anticipated. Alright, so first key pin fell out already. Yep. Second, third, that's the fourth one, damn it. Struggling here. There's the third one. And fifth one, okay. And upstairs will be all standard pins, but we'll gut it anyway. And I actually found my tweezers relatively easily tonight. Alright, so there's standard and standard, standard, and standard, and standard. And this one actually, if you notice, it's actually following Schlag's recommended top pin sizes, or relative to the length of the drivers, it looks like. They don't always do that. You know, a lot of times when you buy cylinders, they're all just the same length drivers, no matter what size the key pins are. If they're not actual Schlage brand, and I don't know what brand this one is, like US Lock or Ilco or something, but they actually did follow their recommendations on it, so that's kind of cool. And well, I guess it's kind of petered out, so I guess that's going to do it for this video then, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.